people think that I'm kind of young and that I shouldn't have problems, back problems, and I mean, I kind of did. Some habits that you do, it kind of creates some issues with your vertebrae and they get out of alignment. You might not know that. And I was having back problems. I found his booth at the Puyallup Fair. And then he did a scanning thing on my back. He said, you have some stress in your lower back. And I was like, well, I can believe that because I have been experiencing some pain at the time. And so I went into Dr. McCord's office and he said that I do indeed have some stress coming from my lower back, mid back, and we went on with the care, and I can say that a year or even 3 months difference is just phenomenal. So it's good stuff. It really is good stuff, and it's definitely something that you should check out. So, yeah.